Happy birthday, Mama! They say not all heroes wear capes, some wear aprons, hold Bibles, and wipe our tears with the same hands that built our dreams. Thank you, Mama. And that is true. Since Papa Alejandro Catalan left us when I was just 14, you became our strength. A mother, a father, and a friend all in one. You carried us through with faith, courage, and love that never asked for anything in return. Thank you for being um, a believer. Thank you for obeying the gospel, the greatest gift and legacy we share. Thank you for keeping your promise to Papa, for being our light through darkest nights, and for showing us that true love is not in riches but in faith and togetherness. And of course, I'll never forget the time I said, or I asked, Mama, pili ka, Vikings o mezzanine? And you chose mezzanine. And that is so you. Never showy, never materialistic. You didn't want a fancy buffet. You wanted a home filled with laughter, prayer, and love. That's the kind of wealth only a woman of God can give. Now, as you hold your grandchild, Kichang, I see your love continuing, your legacy living on in every smile, every prayer, and every act of kindness. Mama, I always here for you. I'm always here for you through it all. In every joy, every challenge, and every victory, you are my heart, my home, and my forever best friend. Your legacy is not written in things, but in the lives you've touched. And we are living proof of your love. With all my love, Mama, I love you. Sabi nga sa Proverbs 31:28 to 29, her children arise and call her blessed, her husband also, and he praises her. Many women do noble things, but you surpass them all.